DJ Delz.
Funko Pop addicts, what's up? It's your boy DJ Delz. We have got finally the third LeBron James that released in 2018. This is the white and purple jersey. We're gonna take him out of the box. I did do a comparison with these two right here. The Fanatic exclusive. Now close-up look at the Foot Locker exclusive. If you didn't see that video, definitely watch it. It's really an awesome one. And I was thinking about doing a comparison with all three, but this Funko Pop is exactly the same as far as the pose. It's just that that's the yellow jersey and this is the white jersey. So there's no need for all that. If you want to see the comparison with this, which is a new pose, versus the Foot Locker exclusive, definitely watch this video. I'll put a link in the description box below, and I'm pretty sure you still can get this online, and it was available for pre-order and they shipped it right away. So I mean, I ordered it last week, I was able to get it, and that will be linked in the description box below. And there he is out of the box. Really looks like LeBron. I love this Funko Pop, and I definitely wanted to have all of them. Huge LeBron James fan. I'm really hype about the Michael Jordan Funko Pop that's coming out. I'm hoping I'll be able to get that one, and you know, I'm crossing my fingers. Hopefully I'll be able to get that. Just want to give you a good look at them. There's a side profile. And by the way, my giveaway is still going on. I will announce the winner soon. Probably going to upload a couple more videos, and then I will announce the giveaway winner. So make sure to enter. That will be linked in the description box below to the video to enter. All the instructions are there. And there's a look at the back. Love the details on the jersey. And there's a look at his other side. And one more close-up look at LeBron James. Dope pop. Love it. And there you go with a close-up HD look at this LeBron right here. I got all three now. Happy to have all of them in the collection. Let me know which one's your favorite. The white jersey, the yellow jersey, or the purple jersey. Leave that in the comment box below. Once again, my giveaway is still going on. All you gotta do is watch this video where I bought a bunch of the same Funko Pops to see how does it go down when it comes down to chases. They say it's 1 out of 6. Wanted to do an experiment, and I'm giving one away. So definitely watch that video. I will link it in the description box below. So look in the description box. I have tons of other stuff going on in there, from where you could get this one to where you could get other Funko Pops, to where you could pick up my newest t-shirt, to also my Patreon where I do a weekly podcast and a monthly giveaway there, and it's a lot of fun. We do Q&A. Definitely check that out. Leave in the comment box below a comment, please, and please hit the thumbs up button. All that interacting just is a beautiful thing. All right, so make sure to do so. Don't be too cool for school. Bang that thumbs up button right now, and I'll catch you guys very soon with a new video. We out.